Welcome to Mazi Chijindu channels on YouTube, where we teach people Igbo language. Do you love Igbo language? Do you want to learn Igbo language? We're going to teach you Igbo language so that within a short period of time, you can learn how to speak Igbo. Therefore, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications when I share new videos. So today, we're going to look at some common greetings in Igbo language. And these are the basic things that you can learn if you want to learn Igbo language. Take for example, if you want to say a greeting in the morning in Igbo language, you could say Ebolachi. That is good morning. Ebolachi. Good morning. How about in the afternoon? And you want to say a greeting in Igbo language in the afternoon. You could say Ehihoma. Did you get that? Ehihoma. Or you could just say Ndewo. Ndewo. Ehihoma. Ndewo. That is good afternoon. Now, how about in the evening or in the night? How do you want to greet in Igbo language? You could say Kachifo, that is good night. Kachifo, good night. Or you could say Kachibo, some say Kachibo, fine. That is good night. Now, other type of greetings depends on what a person is doing. For example, if you see someone that is walking, you will not say kachibo. Rather, for you to give a thumbs up on what the person is doing, or for you to encourage the person on the good work that the person is doing, you could greet the person this way. Dalu oru. Dalu oru. Or you could possibly say Jisike. Jisike. Or Daloro. That you're greeting the person because of what he's doing, the person is working. You say Daloro Jisike. Now, probably, maybe the person did something good for you, and you want to say thank you for what the person did for you. If you want to say thank you for what the person did to you, what you say is emaila. Emaila. Or you could say dalo. Or you could say ndewo. Emaila. You could say dalo. You could say ndewo. That is thank you. So each of them is the same thing. Maybe probably someone is now going out, maybe your parents or a friend is going out, going to work, and you want to say a greeting, maybe to wish the person success as he's going out. What you're going to say is Ijoma. Ijoma. Or you can tell the person Gankoma. Gankoma. Ijoma. Or you could say Gankoma. Did you get the basic greetings? In the morning, if you want to say good morning, you say Ebolachi. Ebolachi. If you want to say good afternoon, you say Ehihoma. Ehihoma. Or you could say Ndewo. And if you want to say good night, you say Kachifo. Kachifo. Or you could say Kachibo. Kachibo. Now, if you want to greet somebody for what he's doing, maybe the person is working, you want to give a thumbs up, Daluoro. Jisike Noro. If someone did something to you and you want to say thank you to what the person did for you, you could also say emaila, emaila, mobo, dalo. And now if someone is going out and you want to read the person well, you could say ijoma or gankoma. Did you get that? All right. Now, another thing that you can learn, a simple thing that you can learn from Igbo language is like introduction. If you want to introduce yourself, maybe you saw someone and you want to introduce yourself, you could say Ebolachi, that is if that is in the morning. Ebolachi, that is good morning. Aham bo. Aham bo, that is my name is. Aham bo. Aham bo, my name is Mazi Chijindu. Mazi Chijindu, that is Mr. Chijindu. So if you want to introduce yourself, just simply say Ibolachi, that is good morning. And then Ahambo Mazi Chijindu, that is good morning. My name is Mr. Chijindu. Did you get that? Fine. Now, another thing could be also some activities that someone is doing. You can also try to explain what it means, maybe in Igbo language. For example, if somebody is walking, you could say onagije. Onagije, the person is walking. The person is walking. If the person is waving his or her hand, you could say onefaka. Onefaka. If the person is dancing, you could say onagbebu. 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 All right. We want to stop at this and then follow us the next time. We're going to post a video so that we're going to also start from the basics and also help you to learn Igbo language fluently. Thank you very much for joining my channel. Please subscribe and also share my videos and get updates for the next one. Thank you so much. Mazi Chijindu.